What's good, YouTube? It's Amara back with a new YouTube video, and today I'm going to be trying polygel nails for the first time. My mama used to be good with nails back in the day, so today I'm going to be trying to recreate a nail look for y'all. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and go ahead and keep on watching. So this is the kit I got from Amazon, and it comes with a lot of stuff. I'm going to go ahead and put the link down below in case y'all want to check it out. The 3 polygels it comes with is a clear, a white, and a light pink. So I'm just going to start off with clipping my nails. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this file that came in the kit, and I'm just going to file all my nails and take all the shine off of them so that the polygel adheres to my nail correctly. I'm gonna be cleaning my nails with this 91% alcohol right here, just to make sure all my nails are clean after filing them. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this base gel to all of my nails. It's just a base before you do your nails, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this under the LED light afterwards. So this is the brush that it comes with. It comes in this little tube, and then there is 2 ends to it. There is the spatula side and then the brush side on the other. And then today I'm going to be using dual forms since it is my first time using polygel. These are the butterflies I will be using today. I'm going to be using the blue ones and the white ones. And then for today's nail look, I'm going to be using the white and the clear polygel. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some slip solution to do my nails with. So what I'm doing right now is just making sure that the dual forms fit my natural nails correctly, so they're the same size. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the white polygel, and I'm just gonna take not too much, about a dime size amount. You can add more if you'd like, depending on the thickness you want for your nail. And then when you put it on the dual form, it's just in a swiping motion. And this is very sticky, so if you don't have a slip solution, alcohol works just fine. So I'm just using patting and swiping motions just to create the nail. You want to try to make it even and then have it thinner at the cuticle line. Alright, so now I'm putting my nail under the LED lamp for about 60 seconds. Then I'm gonna do underneath and just try to smooth that out. And then it's gonna go in for 30 seconds for that one. I'm just taking the dual form off of the nail now to see what it looks like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and file and shape the nail the way I want. So now I'm doing the 2 butterfly nails for the nail set. I'm just using the clear gel now instead of white, and I'm just gonna do a thin first layer on the dual form. For the butterfly nails, I'm just sculpting them in the gel instead of putting them on top because I want a smooth finish. So I'm just taking a couple wherever I like and just adding them on as I go. Now that I'm done with one hand, I'm just gonna put the top coat on the 2 butterfly nails that I have. As you can see now, I'm just painting the rest of my nails a light blue. Alright, so now after I'm done with the LED lamp, this is the finished product. And I did one hand on camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera. And this is the final product. I hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching.